Alright, so I'm going to show the difference between gloved hands and no gloves with weapon manipulation. So it's about 30 degrees out, it's snowing, so most people put on gloves. And we're going to see what the differences are between the two in shooting. Here we go. Alright, so that was a 1.58 with the gloves. We'll take them off. We'll see how it goes. Alright, let's go. Gloves off. And that's a 1.28. So there definitely is a difference in gloves and not gloves. So you got to keep it in mind when you're shooting, especially in cold weather, because it has an effect on your times.